So, good morning. How are you?
Good morning, ma'am. I'm fine, and today is my first conversation session with you. I am so excited, and also try to speak confidently and express my thought clearly. Thank you, ma'am.
Wonderful, wonderful. So are you feeling excited or nervous as well? How do you feel as you
No, I am feeling so excited and thumbs up and little bit of nervous, but I will manage you.
Yes, yes, it happens, whenever we are going to connect with someone for the very first time. So, this kind of nervousness we often have, right? Because we have a butterfly in our stomach while having first video conversation. It happened with me as well. So over time we have been accustomed of each and everything, right? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so today you are here on my YouTube channel for the very first time, so please introduce yourself first. I would love to know about you.
Definitely, ma'am. I want to tell something about myself.
You can
I
call
am
me by
Geeta.
my name. You can call me by my name. My name is Meenakshi.
Okay. My name is Geeta Mohanty. I'm from Odisha. Currently, I live in Pune
Mhm.
and I am a civil engineer. Around 11 years experience.
Wow.
After marriage, I don't continue my job because of my husband's transfer job shifting some states, and also I have a 5-year daughter.
Wow.
And apart from that, I am a homemaker, I am a good mother, wife, and also I am a learner. Always try to learning more and more every day. Right now, I am continuing, and
Wow.
it's okay.
Lovely to know.
And ma'am, I think as a mother, as a mother, my first priority is my daughter.
Yes.
Because of you, I think I give some time to stay with my family and spend some time. After grown up little bit, 1 2 year, definitely I continue my career again.
Wow. That's wonderful. Being a mother, it's not easy, right? But if you are giving priority to your very young child, so it's also a part of our life, right? Because we can't brush aside our children, right? We can't turn a blind eye over our children. They are our souls, they are our responsibilities, right? Even I also have a daughter, like your daughter is still 5 years old, and my daughter is 5.5. Right, so I often spend some time, even if I feel tired, I feel burned out, but still I prefer spending time with her because I know this is a never ending journey, right?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
journey will long forever. But once my daughter grown up, I would never ever, get her childhood again. So I prefer spending, I often pretend to be whatever she wants. Right, like yesterday she was saying, Mama, I am going to be a television, and you have to on television with your remote, and which channel do you want to watch, and I would be there. Okay, so then I said, okay, now I am in the mood of watching songs, listening to songs, right? Then she started, singing. After
Yes,
some time something else, then something else. So such kind of moments only lies in children, not in us, right?
yes,
We
ma'am.
can't pretend to be anyone, but children often try to be, they often pretend to be, they can make anything, right? And they have a, capricious nature. We don't know what kind of nature they have now, and after some time, what kind of nature they have. So we also have to be like them, right? We have to be patient towards them. Otherwise,
Yes.
really
Yes,
hard.
ma'am. My daughter also telling every time, please, mama, come play with me, sing with me, and everything. I try to happy, how to feel say happy. I always try,
Yes.
and now I'm a nuclear family.
Hmm.
How to spend time. My daughter every time wants me. Because of you, I think my I give some time. After that, if possible, I definitely continue something.
Yes, yes, yes. Every mother does, right? We are no exception. Every mother does, right? Every
Yes,
mother,
ma'am.
yes, sacrifice their career because of their children, right? So we are
Yes,
no
ma'am.
exception. I also quit my job because of my daughter. You are also focusing on your children because you had quit your job, whatever your career was, but still you are giving priority to your children. So I guess there are many mothers like us. They sacrifice their career because of their children, right? But it also gives us happiness, right? It's not
Yes,
any
ma'am.
kind of we don't feel regret that okay, why we do this, why we do that, right? Okay.
No,
So
no, every day I doing, and now I'm learning English more and more, and also I have some time to myself. If I have immediately I learning, reading, speaking, everything I engage myself. Otherwise, I spend with my daughter and husband.
yeah. Okay, so now where she is? She's in school.
No, no, now she is watching TV.
Okay, she didn't go to school
Now
today.
summer vacation is starting going on.
Okay, okay,
We
right.
are going today. We are going to our native place.
Oh, wow. Wonderful. So how do you feel? Are you excited while going there?
Yeah, yeah. After 3 month, three and half and month, we are going to Pune to Odisha. I am so excited. My daughter also feeling so happy. She wants to go with my in-laws, grandma's house, my mother's house, and Masi's house. She feeling so excited and Mama, where is the flight time? And you pack it all, your bag and everything. Before 2 days, he always telling to me when I go and you already packing or it, and if possible, bring some toys and books in your bag.
Wow. Girls are always fond of reading books, right? They
Yeah,
often
yeah.
focus their studies. But on
See, like listening story and learning something, and also see watching mythology stories. She
wow.
like very much. Yeah, she is 5 years daughter, but she learn speak very well in English, and also listening mythology story about Krishna, Hanuman, Ram. And the Durga Mata always told me, Mama, please tell Mata Durga story. I also telling to you before laying on the bed at night time or after lunch.
So
I always tell some short story.
yes, yes. So
She
I can see.
also listening and enjoy a lot.
So you incorporated this habit in her.
Yeah,
That's why, right? Because
yeah.
it all depends on mothers, parents, isn't it? Right? What kind
And
of
also this is improve myself also. If I teaching in English short story every day also I am listening and reading also I feel improvement myself also.
yes. So does she study in English medium school, CBSE school?
No, no, no. In Odia medium, recently at shifting Pune, we are putting a English medium school. Now 3 months. I know 1.5 month, I think. After that, now summer vacation is starting.
So
See,
she speaks in the
I
English.
think after 3 years at 2.5, she always watching cartoons, stories and long stories and watching evening time, eating time, sleeping time. I think she acquainted in English language only.
Okay, means she
After listening, watch every time. See, after 3 years, I think she watching in TV and mobile only English story.
okay, she only watches English content, not any other,
Yeah,
not
see,
in native.
no, no, no. Because she don't know our language, mother tongue, Odia. She don't know. But now I am trying to every day talking with Odia and also tell to this is the meaning of English word is and your meaning of Odia is that. After that, she also learning Odia, and after shifting Pune, she also learning about language Hindi. She don't know about language Hindi, but some friends and in our society talking in Hindi every time, and she also learning Hindi.
Okay.
But before in starting the language is only English, and she upgraded very much. And how with after come back her papa at home, she always talk both of you 1 hour 2 hour only in English. How to spend in your day, morning time, lunch time, you everything talk in English. Because of you, I think she acquainted English language.
Okay, okay, right.
And
So
now we are trying, I also trying to every day only talking in English right now with my daughter.
that's wonderful. In a very early age, she knows how to speak in English. Otherwise, she speaks in English. Otherwise, it's very difficult to inculcate these habits. Learning English, it's not a cup of tea for everyone,
Yeah,
right?
in our society, no one can speak English, and only one speak Hindi and Marathi. I don't know language Marathi, but no one can speak English because of you. See, feeling little bit of agitated, and Mama, no one can play with me, and don't understand what I'm saying. But I will manage the situation, and everyone to tell my daughter knowing little bit of Hindi, and she know English. Please help and play with us. Everyone playing. Yeah.
Okay, okay, right. So does she comfortable over camera as well? Like she faces the camera?
Yeah, see, comfortable. I also giving to sessions English teacher for a general knowledge, and also Planet Spark, you know it. I also give Planet Spark about everyday sessions, storytelling, and about general knowledge or poetry, something about, and learn class also. I think weekly 3 to 4 class in Planet Spark, and other morning class are due to summer vacations she don't go to school right now. She have so many times to spend at home, because of you we parents think if I engage something little bit, she grown up in future. And also acquainted with English language, and I also in morning time I give a personal teacher to talk only English, and how to you spend in daily life. If we are going to Odisha, how what is your everything normal mother and daughter talking, and everything we are tell to the teacher. If possible, give some general knowledge every day, 20 to 25 question to tell, and also try to speak, and she is listen, it's okay she tell. But if you don't forget, and you can try to next day also this question. This is happen our I think 50 minutes session, and every 25 10 minutes she give general knowledge everything about solar system, how to travel in flight or bus, how what is your how excitement, what is your experience, anything normal talk we are engaging this.
I am really amazed that she studied like so far. She studied in
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
her native language, and you just enrolled her in English medium school, right? So you
Yeah.
gave her environment to speak in English. That's how she's able to speak, right?
No, right now I think before 3 2 months I speak in English only after shifting Pune. But in our Odisha, I always all are speaking in Odia language. No one can speak Hindi or English. After shifting, I face no,
So
this is not good on.
within these two
What?
months, within these 2 months,
Yeah, yeah. Me and my daughter also both are speaking within 2 months. Before that, we are talking only Odia.
okay. You also started your journey only before 2 months.
Yes, ma'am.
But how effortlessly you are speaking, and I am amazed.
No, I am little bit of give effort before 2 months, when my daughter is sleeping and something doing. I immediately wake up and try to learning more and more and watching videos, and join a English group also. And also both teachers are cooperative and supporting and motivative in this journey. And also every day I talk with co-learners in one-on-one call and voice calls also. This is also improve more and more improved
During
my.
these 2 months. During
Yeah,
these
yeah, yeah, yeah. This 2 month only, because in before 2 month I don't have time. I am in in-laws house. I don't have time. Always busy in my cooking, and I don't have. And also I bring with my daughter at school, and also drop it, pick up it. This is my daily routine, and everything. I don't have time. But after shifting Pune, we spend, so I have so time to myself, and I am thinking, if I don't speak English and don't improve myself in future, I am facing so many issues. My daughter's school, I am attend PTMs, or in my society and outside. If I want to go, and if I don't speak anything, a little bit of lackness I am feeling. And because of you I thinking, no, it's time to start to learn something new. And this is my journey right now.
very nice, wow, you are a great inspiration of your daughter as well, right? Because otherwise it's really hard inculcating new habit in our
Before,
life. It's very
don't I
difficult.
think this is a very critical and a big deal to me. How can I handle, how can I speak? I know the English language, but I don't speak, because in our Odisha everyone speak in Odia. No one have any English friend to talk every day. If but after joining this group, and after shifting, I have so many to give myself. And
But still,
I.
yes, yes. But if you have time, na, you maintain this consistency, right? Otherwise, you also have excuses. Still, it's 2 months. How should I inculcate this habit? How should I speak in this language fluently, right? But you keep the momentum and try to speak in English every day. That's how you got this fluency. And still, you
Yeah,
are
yeah,
making
every time
effort.
I in my mind always thinking, if I'm cooking or reading or bathing anything, I think in English only right now. Because of you, I think little bit of change in myself. I don't think every time I think in Odia, because in my Odisha all are speaking Odia. My in-laws, my mothers, and my neighbors also, everyone speak Odia, but I don't think English. I know everything ready. What I'm any topic, or immediately I read it and understand, but I don't speak to any English friend or something. Because of you I little bit of hesitate and lonely, but after that I am feeling great. And also I can try to speak English
Yes.
every day.
It's remarkable, It seems that I have seen your growth and your speaking is also remarkable, right?
Thank you, ma'am.
When
Thank you.
you mentioned that you just have started your learning journey, oh my God, I'm really shocked because
Yeah, also,
in 2 months,
if
you will
someone
just
motivate you, also this is be great, confident feeling myself. Yeah, my co-learners are feeling I am little speaking very well. This is also confident me and motivate to me, and I will try to every day improve.
yes, yes, motivation. When someone motivates you, it builds our confidence, right? So it encourages us to work even better, right? Because motivation should be there, no matter it's an internal motivation or external motivation, right? But if someone is motivating you, someone is encouraging you that you are doing a wonderful job. And you should keep the same momentum, and automatically you feel like to go instead of quitting it, right? And but very nice. You should keep the same momentum and try to be consistent in this journey, because I can see after a year how beautifully you will able to speak more. You're already speaking very well, but always there is a room for improvement. I often say in my every session, everyone is learner here, right, till their death. So I guess if we believe in this thing, so there is no room for thinking that okay, now I am enough, I don't need to go further, and now I will not work even better. So but if you are thinking that yes, every day there is a new opportunity for me, I have to learn more, right? So in one way or another, you try to speak, you try to learn from everyone, right? Your daughter, like whenever she goes to school, she might learn other things you does not aware about it, right? But when she will discuss in English, you will get to know, you can gather
Yeah,
some
yeah, this is also
from your
helpful.
daughter. Huh.
When my daughter come back to school, every time she tell to me, Mama, I am doing that or this. See,
Yes.
this is also, yeah.
Because basic conversation is very important. It plays a integral role in our life, right? Because if I am going to talk on any particular topic this time, right, you might feel comfortable and you might give me brilliant ideas or thoughts over topic. But sometimes, okay, if I tell me this line in English, right, and you are going in the kitchen and tell me how to cook, how to roll the chapati, right? How to flip it, right? And what is the English name of tawa? It's griddle. So you might feel confused, and most of us feel confused talking on basic conversation, but they are really comfortable and confident while talking over topics. Right? So sometimes basic conversation is really important. So we should learn. Everyone should learn basic conversation as well, rather every day gathering new topics. So whenever you talk to your daughter, you might talk to her over basic things, right? Like what did you do in school today, how was your day, right? So what your teachers taught you today. So that's how, this is the basic conversation which is
Yes, ma'am.
plays a wonderful role in our daily conversation, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. I know. I
So apart from that, like as you mentioned, every day you connect with your co-learners, and apart from that, what kind of other practices do you follow? What kind of other approach do you give you to improve your English?
Yes, ma'am. I want to say, apart from if I have some time, I watching short English videos and long videos. If my mood is not okay, I want to read or listening. Not English song, but I listening something. After that, I will talk with every day. I talk in 5 to 6 members, co-learners with video call also. Before I think 10 days before. Every day I talk in 5 to 6 member in video call only because I feel little bit of confident. If I am facing face to face, expression is very very important for me myself. I improve this way. I some call learners are not facing this situation, but I face a face to face call is if I catch any topic to discuss on face to face is very helpful to me. And also if I have done time in cooking time or any time, I prefer one-on-one call is good for me. Because same time we make 2 to 3 works at the time. And also at night time, whenever my mood is, I am writing. I don't remember one time. If I watching any video, I don't remember some vocabularies, idioms or something sentence, but I don't remember. If I have some time, then again I watch it and write it and also read it. After that, I remember the vocabulary and sentence also. And this is also helpful for me in how to practice and improve myself. And also, I don't have a time. Always try to talking or speaking. If I my thinking, if I am speaking every day, don't thinking about grammar mistake or anything. I try to speak only. This is my motivation to improve my English because as a mother I have so many works. My first priority is my daughter. If I engaging or giving some time myself, my daughter is neglecting something. She also telling to me, Mama, you don't give time to me, always talking with friends and watching mobile. And I feel this is not good for me and my daughter also. If I have some time, I immediately give. to myself. Otherwise, I spend to my daughter, and also try to everyday talk in English with my daughter only. I don't, and also I have a helpful app, ChatGPT. ChatGPT also help. She is my good friend. I am telling every time I am sad or feeling happy, or if any want to speak, immediately I talk to ChatGPT, and also she talk with me, and I am feeling happy. I know and can help you. ChatGPT is helping so much, and if I have some time, then I connect to
Yeah.
co-learners.
Yes, yes, definitely. Yes, ChatGPT is like mentor for us, right? So it
Yeah, yeah.
helps us everyday improvement. Like earlier, it was not feasible for us, to get everything instantly. But now, if I am not able to speak any new word, I'm not able to make new sentence, so I immediately get result. I immediately get my answer, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So everything has double-edged sword. So at similarly, ChatGPT also has double-edged sword, right? Some people use it too much, but some people only take help, right? So it depends on person to person how much do you use the ChatGPT, right? But if you are always rely on ChatGPT over everything, so it can affect on your mind, your brain, the ability of thinking of your brain can might reduce over time, right? Like you might have good thoughts, good ideas, but still you are relying on ChatGPT, right? So it can reduce or affect on your mental health. Your
Yes,
brain
yes.
will not be able to think out of the box, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Can affect also, but yes, there are advantages and disadvantages. Both go hand in hand in the term
I
of.
think in beginner or learner starting point, she is helping more and more. No
Yes.
one can help you both. If ChatGPT is here, you can learn little bit of starting level is you cross it. After that, you talk with your co-learners and improve yourself. But in beginners, I think this is a good app for everyone.
Yes, yes, good activity. But sometimes we need mentor as well, isn't it? Like, ChatGPT can help you, but sometimes you also want real connection with someone, right? So if
Yeah.
someone really wants to grow, really wants to see their growth, they should join any class as well for few months. Like I also joined English Yari sessions, right? As you know, I have a YouTube channel where I upload my videos every day. So where I have seen my growth whenever I watch my videos. Even I have been learning this language for the past 2.5 years. But since I joined English Yari session, then I have seen my own growth, right? How am I improving? They interrupt me over and again, and that's how I can see my growth. So sometimes you need mentor as well. ChatGPT can help you, but sometimes we feel monotonous as well, isn't it? It
Oh,
happens.
okay, okay. Don't know
Everyone
about.
has everyone has their own perspective, right? If someone is really disciplined, they don't need to give hybrid approach. But in my case, I thought I should give a hybrid approach on my learning because I wanted to become an English teacher. So after putting my heart and soul, now I am able to teach my students. I am able to stay confident. I'm ready to give answer of my students, right? So that's how I boosted my confidence level after taking sessions, after attending sessions so far. So, yes,
Okay,
everyone
ma'am.
has their own mindset. Actually, today I thought I should discuss a topic with you related to small habit, but I guess now we are running out of time because
Yes, yes.
how the conversation turned out, but it's really beautifully. I asked you so many questions, and I am really amazed, and I'm really admire you that you have just started your journey, and now you speak very well. If you have any question,
Thank
you
you,
can
ma'am.
ask.
And also, I want to say thank you, ma'am, giving me this opportunity to attend your session. After attending your session, I am feeling so excited, and this is my first step to improve one step in this journey also. and I like very much. If possible, and let's join again, ma'am. Definitely, I want to join, and
Sure.
thanks a lot, ma'am,
Okay, then next
giving
time
me
we
this
will definitely
good opportunity to connecting with you.
feeling is
Thank
mutual.
you, ma'am.
Feeling is mutual, and next time I would love to talk to your daughter, right? If she will, ready to talk, then definitely I want to join her as well.
Okay, okay, ma'am. I will try. If possible, I definitely try to talk with her.
Yes, I'm really curious to know about her. I'm really curious to see her face as well. Okay, so if it's possible,
Thank
please
you, ma'am.
let me know and I will record her session as well. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
then bye
Bye
bye.
bye.
Keep shining, keep growing. Bye bye.
Bye bye.